Let's see, bro. Let's see. So because I'm late, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for the most recent. Wait, when was this? Okay, this was 20. This was 20 past. No problem, guys. If we're too late, we're too late, and we're just gonna leave it at that. We're not gonna try to force entering or force a confirmation. We're not gonna do any of that. So right now, okay, there's no current confirmation, so there's no current position we can enter. We only enter on the most recent confirmation, indicator confirmation after 1630. After 1630. So these are like earlier on. Let's do this. Put that there. Okay. So based off this already, you can tell that if it's going down, it's a weak sell. It might be strong depending on this. And what I'm about to see here. So this is 1 minute. So seems like there were multiple confirmations on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we agree that there's no current confirmation on the 5 or 1 minute. So okay, now I'm gonna go to 1 hour. Now let's just get a broader idea of what's actually happening here. Okay, let's try not to look at what's happening before this. Let's look for a trend here, because now this is telling us that this thing is supposed to be going up. This thing is telling us that this thing is supposed to be going up, which could always be wrong, because like I said, no, let's look to take this thing down. Because here there was no confirmation here, and this was a weak confirmation. And yeah, let's look to take this thing down. Let's look for sell opportunities. I'm gonna go to the 15 minute. So yesterday's trade really played out well. Like if you're a part of this trade, like this trade really played out well. I don't know if you are were tuned in, but this trade really it played out well. Look at that. It went straight to our final TP. Okay, anyway, we're looking for sell opportunities. So tomorrow, Sunday we're going to be going through. I didn't want to post those other videos that I was talking about, because I didn't want to put out too much knowledge. I wanted this week to end, and then after this weekend, then we'll start with something else new, fresh, and all that stuff. So yeah, right now what we can do right now is the following. Let's look for, wait, I don't really see a trend. This is what I see right now. That's the only trend that I see right now. It would be difficult to pick that, because it would just tell us that. And wait, let me do this. There was a gap that I saw. I don't know if it was for today's gap or, but there's a gap that I saw recently. I just don't know if it's wait, hold on.
ukufaka umanyola and stuff like that. Lezi zinto lezi nje ezenza umhlaba ufunde, ngikhohle kuthiwa yini ngesingisi.
Undisendele yona. Jonga enza so.
But videography lapho izoshuta umdlalo stadium, you understand? So dala uyakhumbula ukuthi helicopter bekhona ukhamera pilot drive ibhanoyi i-drone ishitshe isematheni kakhulu ngo-2025. So bazali ifundisa iy'ngane
le-arrow le
Okay.
le-khombi le
Eh,
yabo
and then
i-difference
short course because imisebenzi
and
ikhona
then
yeah la.
lena mafla
uma
same.
ngikuchazele but before siqhubeke
Oh.
kucela wenze
Oh,
kanje
simple. Hey.
Man,
Oh.
ngizayijonga.
Yeah.
So so yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. There's still no confirmation. And I don't know. I don't know why I'm struggling to find entries. Maybe we might get an entry here. But if we take this, if we look for like if we look to take this thing up, which I see, I wouldn't be too surprised if this thing keeps going up. Because look at this on the 15-minute. Like we could at least look to go up there if we're taking this thing up. If we're taking this thing up, that's where we're looking to go. But okay, let me look for more indicators. Let's see if I get another indicator here. Okay, so this thing is a weak, this is a weak trend line, the one I just drew right now. This is a weak trend line. Also so it would mean that for every buy indicator, it will come back and test it. Let's do that. Yeah, so this thing is going to get tested again. This thing is going to come down. This thing is going to go, it's going to go down. It's not going to buy. It's not going to buy. If it does buy, it'll probably just wait, hold on. Let me look for more bullish confirmations. Let me look for more bullish confirmations. Look for that. Okay. Ooh, boy, I like what I'm seeing. 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 I like what I am seeing. I like what I am seeing, my guy. Miguel, I like what I'm seeing. Miguel. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. So this has already been tested. This has already been so this sell, I think it's for this one right here. Because by here it was supposed to keep buying, right? And it didn't, because look here, if you look at these ones weren't being tested, right? It only started testing with this one. So this one is more of a closing off for all these other ones. So what's happening here is perfect. So now we're looking for entry on the 5-minute. Oh boy, I really hope. Okay, wait, not that I really hope, but it would be so ideal if we got a confirmation here on the 5-minute time frame. Getting a confirmation on the 5-minute time frame would be everything, bro, right now. It would be everything. Getting a confirmation on the 5-minute, I'm going to put this, let me put this. Let me do this. Let's do this. I don't usually do this, y'all niggas know, but let me change it to a gray. Oh, that doesn't look gray. That doesn't look gray either. Okay, that's not bad. So I'm gonna put that like that. But now the thing is, the reason why it's gray is because of this. It could always do this, and this is not what we're looking for. This is absolutely not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is, 1 2, 3, 4. Fourth green bar, then the next one should be light gray, light green, and then that's when we'll enter. So now let's go to the 1 minute, because I think on the 1 minute, yeah, I thought this would happen. On the 1 minute we should have this bullish confirmation that has just completely been broken, right? So let's ignore this for now. For now, we're looking for the most ideal thing to see here is what did I just say? The most ideal thing we're looking for right now is for this to be a sell indicator. That's the most ideal thing we're looking for right now. If that doesn't close as a sell indicator, we will try to enter on the next bullish indicator. I like what I'm seeing here on this time frame I just like what I'm seeing right now, bro. I really like what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, no, I don't want to spaz out on 1 minute time frame confirmations. Let me not spaz out on 1 minute time frame confirmations. Yeah, let's wait, bro. Let's wait. Let's wait for confirmation on the 5 minute time frame. We're almost there. We are almost there. So let's just wait, bro. Let's just wait. If we don't get this confirmation, we'll enter bullish. We'll look for bullish entry. What's this? This is 5 minute, right? Let's go back. Let's go back to basics. It's just so interesting to me how every time I half pass, bro, I find like, what time is it now? Okay, 1 minute left, and then that's gonna confirm, so that's good. It's so interesting how every time, like, I'm just seeing different patterns. Like, every day is not the same, bro. Honestly, every day is really, really not the same. Look at what's happening here. This is a 3. This looks like a 3, bro. This looks like a 3. This looks like a 3. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. The only thing that's boring about a 3 is that I'm gonna make it blue just to emphasize. Right, so the next bullish candlestick. Oh, okay. We might just enter this trade depending on what I see next. We might just see yeah, I'm gonna keep it gray. Actually, I'm gonna turn it blue just to emphasize that that was like a 3 trade. Let me make that like this, right? Let me make that like this, because I'm still back testing that strategy. That's why I'm gonna put those blue things here. So this is just back testing. What I just drew here, this is just back testing. I need to over the weekend I'm gonna back test and see what's happening and how does this affect what's currently happening. Bro, this cell better not leave me, bro. This cell better give us a confirmation. I start playing around. Because you see now it's giving us another, this is another bullish indicator. And we're not looking for that right now. Right now we're not looking for that. Right now we're not looking for another bullish indicator. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. So if on the 5-minute that trade closes as a sell, that trade closes as something that's not a confirmation, then that would be perfect. Regardless, that would be perfect because it will just do this. Whew, and this will be a lot better, bro. Honestly. Then we'll just do this. If that doesn't close as a bullish confirmation, if that doesn't close as a sell confirmation, we still have 2 minutes left. Still have 2 minutes left. This is good. It needs to go higher a little bit. This is good. Oh, this is good. This is so good, bro. Yes, that's good. Look at what's gonna happen. This is gonna close as a bullish confirm. This is gonna close green. It's not gonna close light gray. It's gonna close green. Watch. It's gonna close green. But the only negative thing about what might happen now we didn't get the confirmation. Okay. No, let's not force looking for cells anymore. So I'm getting off the cell. Now we're looking to take this thing up. Let's take this thing up. Let's continue with what we're looking for. Let's take this thing up. Let's take it from right here. Then we say 8 points. What's 8 points from here? Let's take it up. Let's just enter right here, and then 8 points is like right here. 8 points is right there. 8 points is right there. So let's take this thing up. We didn't get that sell confirmation that we were looking for. So wait, what am I doing? Bro, what am I doing? Nah. Wait. Nah, bro. Keep that buy. Keep the buy. Don't change. Keep the buy, bro. Don't change. If this hits, bro, that's it. Just leave it, bro. We'll come back next week. I've made up my mind, bro. That thing was supposed to give us a sell confirmation and it didn't. I mean, it might continue going down. I mean, look what happened here. Here we didn't have a sell confirmation, but we had these three things happening here, and then it went down. But the thing is, here we did have a sell confirmation on the 1 minute. We didn't have it on the 5 minute, but we had it on the 1 minute. Here, there's not even a confirmation at all, bro. That's the thing. That's why I don't want to take the sell, because there's no confirmation for a sell here at all. Let me delete this. That's why I don't want to trade that trade at all, bro. That's the only reason why I wouldn't want to take that trade. And if this thing goes up, there's going to be a lot of momentum. That's if it does go up. There's going to be a hell of a lot of momentum. Well, either way, up or down, this thing is gonna have a lot of momentum. Yeah, let's take it. Let's take this thing up. Where is that? Oh, here we go. Yeah, let's take this thing up. What's the ratio? What's the ratio? 1 to 5. That's not bad. I know 1 to 5 is not bad. A low 1 to 5 is not bad. Let's go to 5 minute. I just want to confirm for the last time if there really is no sell entry. You guys see there really is no sell entry. So I'll do this, bro. I will do this. I've realized that I'll do this. For anyone who is into revenge trading, this is the only formal way to revenge trade. This is the only formal way to revenge trade. What I'm doing now is the only formal way to revenge trade. Otherwise, bro, you're just being a dumbass. 8 points. Why am I putting it there? Because like I said, market has a tendency for what? Going after my stop losses. That's why I'm putting it there, because market has a tendency of going after my stop losses. That's why I'm putting it there. So this really doesn't want to sell, bro. It really doesn't want to sell. I mean, it doesn't want to give us a confirmation for a sell, is what I'm trying to say. Nope, that's it, bro. So to avoid over analyzing, this is my take, bro. My take is that this thing is going up and there's going to be a lot of momentum. That's if it doesn't break. If it doesn't break this, if this doesn't hit, this is going to have a lot of momentum going up. This is going to have a lot of momentum going up. So let's do this. Let's look for more take profits. No. I think that's fine. I think that really is fine. I think that's fine. Wait. Let me confirm those other points up there. Let me confirm. Oh, this gap. Oh, and look at this, bro. Look at this. There's a confirmation right here on the 5 minute time frame, nigga. And there's a gap. And this gap still hasn't been filled. That gap still hasn't been filled, bro. Nah, we're taking this thing up. We are taking this thing up, bro. We are taking this thing all the way up. we are taking this thing up. So this is our TP3. TP2 is right here, and then TP1 will probably be somewhere here. Yeah, guys, let me leave this like this before I start over analyzing. You know how it is. What's the RR for this? Yo, 13x is ridiculous. But it's Friday. It's Friday. Is it end of the month? No, it's not. It's like mid-month. It's like today's what day is it today? It's the 9th. Okay. Yeah, let's take this thing up. I don't see a sell confirmation, so I don't think this thing is going to sell. So that's why I'm saying let's take it up. Let's take this thing up. So to avoid over analyzing and all these other things, let me leave you guys like this, bro. Yeah, man. I'm gonna fix the thumbnail and everything right now in a minute. I'm gonna fix all of those things right now in a minute. I'll see you guys Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. But over the weekend, which is probably Saturday, I'm gonna upload all the content that I was taking during my ban.